At its full potential, Liberty herbicide can make a big difference to your bottom line. Here are some helpful tips to maximize your Invigor yield and profits. Growers love Liberty's flexibility. Since there's no such thing as perfect weather and you can't always get into the field when you want, Liberty offers 2 different rate options. The standard rate of 1.35 liters per acre and the higher labeled rate of 1.62 liters per acre for when you're late getting in the field or facing heavier weed pressure. You also have the flexibility to go with a second pass for customized weed control to match your needs. Try reversing your application route on the second pass for even better plant coverage and weed control. The Liberty 2-pass system gives you 8% more control of wild oats, 15% better control of Canada thistle, and a 20% increase on cleaver control. Plus, an average of 3 bushels per acre more in yield. Tank mixing Centurion with your Liberty increases wild oat and grassy weed control. Additionally, the extra mode of action can help avoid the development of herbicide resistance. Liberty has never been more affordable, making it more economical to use higher application rates or 2-pass options to suit your needs. Unlocking the potential of your Invigor hybrids with Liberty is easy. Keeping these tips in mind when you're spraying can help turn a great Invigor crop into an even better one.